Hey, welcome back. My name is Erika Bell. I am a professional home organizer in case you are new here. And if you are new here, welcome. And if you're not new here, welcome back. All right, let's talk a little bit about closets today. Here are 6 questions to ask yourself when decluttering and organizing your closet, okay? Number 1, does it fit? Easy as that, right? Sometimes we put things on, we try to force it to fit, or we're kind of saving it for that. Maybe it will, or if I gain weight, or if I lose weight, whatever it may be. But sometimes that can be tricky. Unless you are pregnant or like actively going through something, gaining weight, losing weight, that type of thing, it gets really, it's kind of a slippery slope, right? To hold on to a bunch of different sizes or a bunch of different clothes in other sizes. If you have space and you want to designate a small space to said items that you may grow into, or, you know, the opposite, then you can, but I just want you to be really cautious about doing so, because the majority of your closet, you want it to be stuff that fits and fits well, okay? All right, number 2, have you worn it in the last year? If you have not worn it in 12 months, you've given yourself all the seasons, right? If you haven't worn it, probably time to donate it, let it go to a new home, clear up some space in your own closet. Number 3, I think everyone sometimes can be guilty of this. Is it damaged? Do you have something in there? I have something right now that I've had in my closet that is missing a button on the back and it's safety pinned together. I have not taken the time to fix it. It probably would be a quick fix. Like, I need to just go do it right now and it'll take me 5 minutes. I haven't in years. Every time I go to put it on, it frustrates me. Either fix it or just get rid of it, right? Make those decisions, make them now, make them quickly. Do not have stuff hanging in your closet that's damaged and that you're not gonna wear, okay? Number 4, does it represent my current style? Okay. Going out clothes, club dresses, I'm looking at you, right? Sometimes we hold on to things. Maybe it's from college, maybe it's from kind of like, just seems like a long time ago, right? It was a former self of you. You know, I'm not wearing bodycon dresses anymore. I'm not wearing stuff that's super tight. I'm wearing stuff that has pockets, that's cozy, that I can chase kids around. I want things that represent that current style. And I don't think I'm gonna go back to those other things that I used to wear. So again, why would I allow it to take up space in my closet? If you find that you let something go and years down the road, you're like, oh, I really need yada yada, that maybe is just a little bit out of your current style, you can buy it then, you can borrow it from a friend then, it'll come to you then, okay? Get rid of the stuff that is not your current right now style. Number 5, this kind of follows suit with that, is if you were shopping today, you were shopping right now, would you buy it? This is such a good one, right? So sometimes we just make things work, right? We're like, I definitely wouldn't buy that right now, but I can make it work. And there's nothing wrong with trying to make things work. Make your clothes last. You know, I have plenty of stuff that has been in my closet for honestly probably decades, you know. That's fine, but most of us tend to wear the same things, and then we just get frustrated with these other things hanging in our closet. So this is all about trying to declutter and organize your closet better. So just being really honest with yourself. If you wouldn't buy it today, maybe you get rid of it. Some of those things too, like I know we have formal wear in our closet. Go through those types of items, because yes, while I say absolutely hold on to something like that you don't want to go out and buy it again, but keep only something that's like a classic style, right? Not a formal gown that you'll never wear again because it's just kind of out of date, out of fashion, when you do have that opportunity to wear a formal gown again, right? And I'm saying gowns, I'm speaking mostly to women. Men, hopefully you can get something out of this. You can plug in formal wear, not just formal gowns, you know. But just be honest with yourself when you're asking all of these questions. And number 6, this is probably the most important question, I think, on this whole list. Does it feel good when I wear it? Plain and simple. You notice that I'm not talking about current fashion trends. That's not what this video is about. I just want you, and I want myself, I'm speaking to myself too, to feel comfortable with what I'm wearing. Again, we have those items. They don't make you feel good. You put them on, you hate it, yet we hold on to it. Maybe we hold on to it out of guilt. We spent a lot of money on it. But it's just bringing up those feelings every time you see it. Try to sell it, give it to a new home. It'll make you feel better doing that, getting it out, not taking up good space in your current closet, right? Get it out of there. Plain and simple, if you take one thing away, does it feel good when you wear it? We all have those outfits, right? Where you put it on, you're like, yes, I feel like $1,000,000, right? I feel like I can handle this Monday. I can handle this meeting. I can handle, the kids. Keep those types of outfits. Get rid of the ones that don't. Yes, I know this is a little bit of, does it spark joy? And if it doesn't, get rid of it. Maybe the thing that just makes you feel good is workout clothes and you can't always wear those every day, but you get what I'm saying. If you put on something and it just does not make you feel good in your body, in those items when you wear it, get rid of it. All right, and one kind of bonus. If you were looking for a simple upgrade for your closet, one thing visually that makes a huge difference, and y'all know I am not big on saying go out and buy said item. I think that you can organize things without buying a single thing. But I do think there are specific products that really can amplify your home. This is one of them, okay? It makes such a quick fix, and for the most part, it's a pretty minimal effort, or minimal cost and expense, okay? All right, simple upgrade, matching hangers. They do not have to be the fancy velvet hangers that we see, really popular everywhere. I personally don't even like those for a lot of my stuff. They make these thin, kind of rubbery type of hangers that I really prefer. They come in different colors. I will link some, of course. Those are the ones I prefer, but I know some people, I have a lot of stuff that's still on wire hangers. I like those. Or some of my clients really still like the chunky plastic hangers with the little notches to, better hang stuff on. Whatever your preference, I promise you, it just makes a world of visual difference, because in your closet, color coordinated or not, it still is visually really stimulating. So getting all of one type of hangers, I really like wooden hangers too, but rarely do we have enough space for all those because they're so clunky. But whatever kind of you prefer, and it doesn't have to be an overnight investment. If you want to just buy some here and there and kind of slowly transition your clothes or transition some of them, it really does make a huge difference in how your closet looks. So are you organizing your closet? Are you decluttering? It's kind of, we're going into winter. We're, again, another change of seasons. It kind of feels good to revamp certain areas in your house. So if you're doing this, let me know. And if you like a video like this, definitely let me know. I can do another one, go into more depth about organizing your closet specifically, whether it's color coding or, organizing by seasons. Let me know what y'all want to see, right? All right, I'm here for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and share.